431. This printer is HP Deskjet 4310 4300 series. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents with this printer. Open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Close the cover. Then select this button if you want to copy color. Select this button if you want to copy black. Press this button to cancel if you change your mind. So select copy color once. It will show you one. If you want to copy more than one, you need to keep tapping it. So the document is now copying. This is the document we copied, color. If you want to copy this two-sided, for example, you reload the document on the glass scanner. Reload the document. Then the next thing to do is you need to turn the document the other way around. Then select cancel. Once you select cancel, it will show you 0. Then you select copy color. So it's going to copy on the same page. This is the document we copied, two-sided. Now I want us to copy black. Stick the document you want to copy face down. Then before you do anything, select cancel. Then select copy black. You want to copy 2. For example, you select this twice, 1, 2. The number will change to 2. You change your mind, press this to cancel. So I just canceled it. So this is how to copy. If you change your mind, press this to cancel, and you can see that the document was cancelled. Now I want us to copy this black 1. So it will show you 1. Then to copy it two-sided, stick the document, reload it on the rear tray. Then to copy, you need to cancel this first. Then select copy black again. This is the document we copied, two-sided, and this is the original. So information, the document you are copying need to face down. If you want to copy the other part, you need to turn it the other way around to copy the second page. Now what I want us to do is to copy using ADF. Stick the document you want to copy on the ADF. Make sure the document face up. The parts where the information is, make sure it's face up. And before you start, it will show you select cancel, and you need to see 0 on the screen before you select the copy. So load the document, then select copy color. This is the document we copied. If you want to copy the second page, you need to reload this document. The rear paper tray. Then take this one. Make sure this information up. Then the next thing to do is you need to select cancel. Then you select the job, copy. This is the document we copied, two-sided. This is the original one with ADF. You want the information to be on the same part. Stick the document. Then before you start, select cancel. Then select copy, color. Then take the document, reload it to the printer. Now take this part of the document, reload it. The information needs to be up. Then you select cancel, then select copy. This is the document we copied, two-sided. But what I want us to do is for us to have this on the same sides if you want to read it from the top and also at the back. So to do that, put the document, select copy. I want us to copy this in black. Select black. Now you take the document. This information needs to be at the bottom. Then reload it. Then take this part, stick it on top. Then select cancel. Then select copy, black. This is the document we copied, and if you look, it will show you that the information, we are reading this information from the top to the bottom, and also this one will show you this thank you letter, so it starts from the top to the bottom. So these are ways to copy documents with this printer using ADF, likewise using glass scanner. So before you select, once you select the copy, you need to cancel, then start again to complete the job. Thank you very much indeed.